Senior Congress leader and Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Friday cornered the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) on the issue of love jihad and said that the BJP manufactured the term to divide the nation. In a series of 3 tweets posted Friday morning, Mr. Gehlot also accused the centre of creating an environment where consenting adults would be at the mercy of state power. Love jihad is a word manufactured by BJP to divide the nation and disturb communal harmony. Marriage is a matter of personal liberty. Bringing a law to curb it is completely unconstitutional and it will not stand in any court of law. Jihad has no place in love, Gehlot said in a series of tweets. They are creating an environment in the nation where consenting adults would be at the mercy of state power. Marriage is a personal decision and they are putting curbs on it, which is like snatching away personal liberty, he added. It seems a ploy to disrupt communal harmony, fuel social conflict and disregard constitutional provisions like the state not discriminating against citizens on any ground, he also tweeted. The tweets from Gehlot condemning the issue comes as states ruled by the BJP, including Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, are contemplating bringing a law against love jihad, saying conversion for marriage by force, fraud, lure or instigation will be punishable by a maximum jail term of 5 years. Till now, the states of Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh have expressed concerns over the rising number of cases of love jihad and announced their plans to introduce bills. Love jihad is a term used by right-wing workers to describe interfaith relationships between a Muslim man and a Hindu woman.